Hey guys, so this is the sunny weather. Look how sunny it is. Hashtag not because it's raining. It was on the weather forecast that it was going to be dry, and does this look dry? No, it does not. And I am soaked, so is my auntie. Look at my auntie. Looks like she's weed herself.
Thank you.
Sorry, just had to mention that. Should I get my hat out of my bag? So that would just protect my hair, which I only washed yesterday. But oh well, I need to wash it again today because Mummy and Daddy get married tomorrow, aren't they? Or should I just wash it tomorrow?
Wash it tomorrow.
Yeah, might as well. I'm carrying on walking up.
Yeah, come on
I don't like the rain.
Come on.
I don't like it.
I know, it's just like...
Can you get Mummy to come down and get us?
You better bring her.
But I'm filming, so you're going to have to ring her. Oh, it's bloody cold.
Hysterical. Ring her and say, Mummy, can you pick us up?
No, you.
We're hiding in the bush.
Let me phone her on your phone, because I'm filming.
No. No.
Please.
Ring her.
I can't. Can I phone her?
No.
I've got a better phone than her. She's got the 6 there. She's got the 6. Samsung. She's got the Samsung Galaxy S6. Got the Samsung Galaxy S7. Oh.
I haven't got 6.
You have?
I've got 7 Edge.
I've got 7 Edge.
No, you haven't.
You have? Find Daddy. He's always on his phone.
I can't connect to Mummy.
Yeah, because we're under a blooming tree. There's literally water on my phone. Call Daddy. You call
No, there's
Daddy.
no reception.
You joking?
No.
I'm just going to carry on walking now. Stop that. We're going to have to walk back in the rain, guys. We should have just stayed under that tree.
Yeah. No, you want to start walking.
Go, let's go. Let's just walk up there. No clue, but who cares? I think there's a little fountain, Auntie. Auntie, look. There's deep water.
Yeah.
I never knew this was here. Did you know this is here?
No.
I didn't. There's deep water though, so...
It's like dead end. Just go around in a circle.
No.
Sure.
No, because look, there's a pathway down there. I'll update you guys in a minute. Right, you carried on walking, and it brought us down to here. And then the house is around there, so we need to carry on walking that way.
Oh yeah, it's a bit worrying about tomorrow, isn't it? That it says it's so nice. You know, weather's going to be lovely, and then it's doing this. That bothers me a little bit.
Yeah. Bloody raining. Whoa, look how big that tree is. Sorry, I have to do this because my phone is actually sick. I feel sorry for the speaker because that speaker gets ruined, I'm screwed. I won't be able to hit my friends or anything. Princess Anne is coming down to here today, and I don't think she wants to anymore because how rainy it is.
Yeah. These shoes are really like hurting my feet.
Can't wait. Call Nanny. Call Nanny Leslie. She'll
She's
come
eating a
down.
breakfast.
So?
She's fucking lazy.
Stop swearing. I'm trying to film a video.
Oh, sorry.
Mushroom! Dead mushroom! Well, I actually went pretty far. Oh, there's a piece there.
Where?
In that car. let's run. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. Nice tree protect us. Hell yes. God knows I'm walking any further. Wait, it's stopping! Actually, I shouldn't drink it. Oops. Question of... Actually, never mind. There's a car coming! Get under this tree! Whoa, this tree is amazing. It doesn't even... You're not even getting wet.
Yeah.
I'm actually screwed if this phone gets water in it. Right. We need to carry on walking, otherwise we're going to be screwed even more.
Yeah. Next tree.
Let's go to tree.
Chase tree.
Tree. Oh wow, that's a long way to run.
You know that you shouldn't stand on the trees in a thunderstorm, yeah?
Yeah.
Because they'll hit the tree.
This tree isn't good. Let's run to the next one.
Just go for it.
Run. Are you not running then?
No.
Then I'll get a snail and chase you with it. Shall I? You should have worn women's. You should have worn your trainers. Oh wow, we got such a long way to go still. Oh, see, call Nanny. Call Mummy or Daddy. Huh?
How late is it?
Yeah, but still, it's a blooming... Oh wait, it's stopped, never mind. Yay! Oh, maybe not yay. It's starting again.
Have a word.
Have a word. There. Right. We're nearly back. I need to do a house tour still.
Oh yeah.
I'll put it on my YouTube channel. I'll start I'll finish the video when I get back. See you later. We're nearly back now. And it stopped raining. Oh, see, we should have just stayed under that tree so it stopped raining.
Yeah.
Guys, guess what I was just standing on? In the comments, guess what I was just standing on? Oh yeah. I'll have to finish this video in a minute because I'm nearly back. And plus, I don't think my mum and dad will appreciate being on camera at this early in the morning because as it is only nearly 9 o'clock. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. And please, what? And please comment your favourite animal. And I'll do some filming tomorrow, the wedding. And I'll film like me getting ready and things. So bye.